Welcome to Monaco and the legendary Port Hercules. In this video, we'll explore the harbor, discover its fascinating atmosphere and history, and experience the unique lifestyle that makes Monaco unlike anywhere else on Earth. Spread out before us is Port Hercules, the famous marina of Monaco and one of the most recognizable harbors in the world. Surrounded by steep hills, luxury apartments, and some of the most expensive real estate on Earth, this harbor has become a symbol of wealth, prestige, and the glamorous lifestyle associated with Monte Carlo. As we move closer to this enormous yacht, we're looking at just one example of the extraordinary vessels that regularly visit Monaco. Many yachts docked here belong to billionaires, royal families, or international business figures, with some costing hundreds of millions of euros to build and maintain. The port itself has existed since ancient times, when natural deep waters made it an important refuge for ships along the Mediterranean coast. Over the centuries, it gradually evolved into the modern marina we see today, capable of hosting some of the largest and most impressive yachts in the world. Port Hercules is especially famous during major events such as the Monaco Grand Prix, when Formula One cars race through the streets directly beside the marina. During race weekend, the harbor transforms into one of the most exclusive gathering places anywhere in the world. Looking across the rows of luxury yachts, it's easy to understand why Monaco attracts visitors from around the globe. The combination of Mediterranean scenery, luxury lifestyle, and world-famous events creates an atmosphere unlike almost anywhere else in Europe. And yet, despite all the glamour, the harbor still remains at the heart of everyday life in Monaco, connecting the principality to the sea just as it has for centuries. As we continue walking along the waterfront, the scale and atmosphere of Port Hercules become even more impressive. This is the only deep-water port in Monaco, allowing some of the world's largest superyachts to dock right in the heart of the principality. Many of the vessels we see here are floating luxury residences, complete with swimming pools, cinemas, spas, helicopter pads, and crews that can number dozens of people. Berths in Port Hercules are among the most expensive in the Mediterranean. Depending on the size of the yacht and the season, docking fees can cost thousands of euros per night. During major events such as the Monaco Grand Prix or the Monaco Yacht Show, prices rise dramatically, and some owners reserve their spots many months or even years in advance. The harbor itself has a surprisingly long history. Natural shelter made this bay useful for ships even during ancient Greek and Roman times. However, the modern marina began to take shape during the late 19th and early 20th centuries as Monaco transformed into a destination for wealthy European visitors. Large-scale expansion projects throughout the 20th century helped create the glamorous harbor we see today. Breakwaters and modern engineering made it possible for enormous yachts to dock safely while still preserving the dramatic setting between the mountains and the sea. Walking here, it's impossible not to notice the incredible concentration of wealth. Some yachts docked in Monaco are valued at hundreds of millions of euros, with annual operating costs alone reaching several million each year. And yet, despite all the luxury, there is also a relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere along the marina. People stroll along the promenade, cafes overlook the water, and visitors from around the world gather here simply to admire the boats and enjoy the scenery. Port Hercules is not only a marina, it has become one of Monaco's defining symbols, representing the unique blend of elegance and coastal beauty that has made this tiny principality famous across the globe. At the center of the harbor stands the Yacht Club de Monaco, one of the most prestigious yacht clubs in the world. Founded in 1953 by Prince Rainier III and later developed under Prince Albert II, the club has become a symbol of Monaco's deep connection to the sea, luxury yachting, and international maritime culture. The striking modern building, designed by renowned architect Norman Foster, was created to resemble the decks of a large ship overlooking Port Hercules. As we continue along the waterfront, we'll let the scenery and the atmosphere of Monaco speak for themselves. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and take a peaceful stroll with us around the beautiful marina of Monte Carlo. As night falls over Monaco, Port Hercules takes on an entirely different atmosphere. The lights from the yachts shimmer across the water, luxury restaurants and rooftop bars begin to fill, and the marina becomes the center of Monaco's famous nightlife. From elegant cocktail lounges to world-renowned casinos and exclusive events, Monte Carlo has long attracted celebrities, royalty, and visitors looking to experience one of the most glamorous destinations on the Mediterranean. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.